What's up? We're on Lake Norman on a beautiful Monday afternoon. It's wakeboarding time, y'all.
That was such an old man sound.
Here we go.
You're going down, Maney.
No, you're going down, Loren, in about 2 seconds.
Hopefully, no, you're right. I'll probably face plant.
This looks incredibly dangerous and scary.
To get up, right?
I'm just safe right here in the comfort of the boat.
About the same.
That last ride was awesome, way better than mine. He's got it. He knows what he's doing. In all fairness, Billy J, he lives in Florida. I grew up in New Jersey. True. Turn around!
You're a great instructor, man. Thank you.
Yeah!
I have never been up on the board before.
Yeah!
That was the first.
Look at that. So I wasn't able to do the wakeboarding very well. Loren did. Our friend Casey right now from our sales staff is surfing, and I'm gonna show you what I can do best.
Anything left?
I'm gonna show you what I can do best. I'm gonna nap.
Go again.
Roy's wearing his life jacket just in case. You never know. Actually, that's just, he's gonna park cars when we get back in a little while. We'll trade.
That hurt your butt. Not feel fantastic on your booty.
It was fun,
It was.
but I might be stuck with one kid forever. What an awesome day out here on Lake Norman. As you can see, Roy still hasn't taken off his life jacket
Look, we're
yet.
still near the water.
Completely bone dry.
I can still fall in.
Anyway, Loren, congratulations.
Thank you, man.
Great job. She beat me. I wasn't able to get it up twice. And she got up twice, so good for her. Big shout out to our driver and our instructor, Paul, from Carefree Boat.
Right on, man.
Carefree Boat Club. You guys come up here, Lake Norman, Morningstar Dock is where you could get, how many boats do you have?
We got 20 boats at this location and 3 at Wiley.
20 here and 3 at Lake Wiley. So we love it, man. Carefree Boat Club for sure. Thanks for having us out here today.